Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in New Kingston. We are in Musgrave Avenue and we're looking at the Cambridge apartments that are being constructed. You can see them straight ahead. And this is actually a very nice development. It's ideal for New Kingston. Now they're building 176 units and it's a mix between studio apartments or a mix between studios and one-bedroom apartments. And the entire development is on 3 acres. And this is going to be the largest apartment or complex in New Kingston. You can see it's huge, and it's actually 2 towers. You have this one, and then behind it is a second tower. Okay, I can give you a better view just to show you how big it is. And this is the Cambridge. And the units go for about 180,000 US. Of course, it's a gated community with security. It's a very modern development, so you're going to have a gym, a pool house, all the amenities that you expect. And one of the best things about it is that it's located in New Kingston. New Kingston is the business capital of Jamaica, you could say, like the business district. So you have a lot of persons that work in New Kingston that would live here. It makes getting to work so much easier. Okay, we're going to show you the other building now. The second building isn't as big as the first one. As you can see, it's a very nice development. Okay, now this section of New Kingston actually has a lot of apartments. Now the persons that are building the Cambridge also built this complex called the Hampshire. And here you can see it. It's coming into view now. As you can see, they're using the same colors. And this development was sold off before they even finished building them. That just goes to show you how in demand these units are. So they decided, okay, we did so well with the first development, let's build a second development which is even bigger than the first. So that's what they're doing now. And these buildings cost billions to build, billions of Jamaican dollars. But it's very nice. And there is so much, how would you say now, traffic, or so many persons visit Jamaica for business from overseas that sometimes the hotels are fully booked out. So you find that persons buy these apartments because they're so close to they're actually in New Kingston, but they're so close to the business side that persons buy these apartments and rent them out. Some straight rentals, some Airbnb rentals, and there are actually times when you can't get a hotel to rent in New Kingston because they're all booked out. This is another development being built in New Kingston straight ahead on the right. On the left and the right are some more apartments, some are townhouses. Okay, now straight ahead on the left is another apartment building that's being developed. This one is the Via Braemar. It's not as big as the Cambridge, but it's very nice. And where you see the zinc fence, that's another set of apartments that are being constructed. So straight ahead now, I'm going to get a nice view of it. This is the Via Braemar. We'll come around and get a better view. Okay, on the right is another complex, and on the left is another complex. So basically this entire area is mostly apartments, and some very nice, the newer ones are very nice. Okay, on the right, this complex is, yeah, the name slipped me, but, and they don't have a name on the, I think it's Argyle. I think that's the name of it. I'm not sure. If anybody knows the name of the complex, you can leave it in the comment section below. I think it's Argyle. But it's very nice though. Alright, we're going to spin back around and take a look. Get a nice view of the other complex. Okay, straight ahead now you can get a very nice view. These also look like apartments. If anybody knows how much these are selling for, you can leave a message in the section below. $180,000 US is about 30, between 30 and 35 million Jamaican. On the left here, it's Fit Farm. It's a gym. It's sitting on a very large property, so you know it's just a matter of time before a developer buys that property and develops it into apartments. Here's a very nice view of the Cambridge. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.